Is it here in the fruit? That's a no. What would your gut instinct or the guide inside advise you to buy when it comes to food? Today, it's alive. We're gonna ask the Ideomotor Effect and these glasses to show me food that is good for me, because I have been struggling a bit with gluten and wheat. So let's see. I'll try to stay as neutral as possible. Otherwise, it'll go straight for the pizza, right? So I'll stay a little grounded. And this is not about me and my diet. I'm trying to tell you that you can also get input from your gut feeling and your gut inside by using glasses. I will now switch to mobile mode. Then it just looks I'm FaceTiming someone and not looking into a camera, and filming inside the shop is a little, so I'll switch. So my intention is to be guided to food that is good for me. Let's use that as a intention here. Pointing straight ahead. The thing you want to show me, is it here in the fruit? That's a no. Please point the direction. Let's see if it swings yes to the frozen pizzas. Well, that's a clear no. We're at the coffee and the cereal. Oh, it's swinging sideways now. Is it this direction? No. Is it cereals? Okay. So one of these, or okay. It works best if you don't have an opinion, but now we're here and I'm having an idea. So is it oats? Yes. These are different kinds of oats. No. Yeah. Is it this one? Yeah. Usually a little bit too concerned about the price. I will buy this because it's a oat granola, spelt cinnamon. I'm usually look at the prices. Now I'll train myself not to do that. I will just buy it. Thank you. And remember, please don't trust this 100%. There's no danger for me to buy this, right? And I wouldn't have bought this otherwise. I would gone for some cheaper options. So the cool thing about this is that it might give you opportunities and perspectives and ideas you haven't had before. But you know, feel free to be spiritual, but don't be stupid, right? Don't do dangerous stuff by believing in this force. You get to call the shots in your life. You decide. Well, when it comes to bigger outcomes, I'm a fan of letting go, but taking care of yourself, that, you know, that's your responsibility. So let me just check with the. I'll try and be as neutral as possible. So see, this is the candy thing. Is it anything here that is good for me at this moment? No. No. Yeah, kind of knew that. But thank you so much. Oats and granola. Thank you. Yeah, and tomorrow I want to give an example of how you can use this in social settings. If you're with people and really don't know what to do or what to say, you gotta give a tip coming up tomorrow. So that's 4 p.m. Central European Time, every day, the vlog. Thank you. Let me just add that these are really crunchy. You get the feeling of eating a snack almost. I've never tried this. It's very, very good. And super healthy. Almost like eating chips. Thank you.